Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making rainbow seitan, and to do that I'm going to be making 4 different batches, half batches of seitan in different colors. And I've been practicing making homemade seitan for several months. I've been trying different recipes, and recently I've been experimenting with different colors. So today I thought, since I've been experimenting with all the different colors, I wanted to do a rainbow, try to do a rainbow version. So I wanted to show you the different liquid bases I'm going to be doing. These things I'm going to be sauteing, and then I have 4 different versions of the flour base, the vital wheat gluten. So I want to describe some of that before I get started. So to make the red version, or pinkish version, I have some beets, onions, mushrooms, and garlic. And you can see there's a lot of liquid in there. This was a canned beet. And to that, this is going to be a beef flavor, so to that I'm going to be adding some ketchup and molasses also to add a little bit more flavor. For the bluish version, or purple, however it comes out, this is blueberries, mushrooms, garlic, and onions. And you may think, oh, this is going to be very strange. Why you're going to have a savory blueberry thing. But, people do make barbecue sauces using blueberries, and I've seen different things where they're using blueberries as a savory item, so that's what I'm going to do here. To attempt a yellow, I'm going to just have mushrooms, garlic, and onions, but in the dough, in this one, it's going to be a chicken type flavor, but I added a lot of turmeric in it to have it turn yellow. And then the green seitan, I'm going to have a spinach version, and it also has mushrooms, garlic, onions. I kind of usually have the same type of ingredients for the liquid base, but for the different colors I add some additional for the berries or vegetables. Okay, so this is going to take a while because each batch needs to be done separately, because we have to knead it in the mixer for 9 minutes, and it has to rest for 9 minutes each batch. And first thing I do is saute it. I saute and then I blend up the liquid in a blender, and then I put it in the mixer. So I'll show all that. And let's go ahead and get started. The pictures will describe the situation, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, everybody, I have made the 4 different batches of seitan in all these gorgeous colors. I wanted you to see how good they turned out. They're just beautiful. And now we're going to get to the point where I can start doing some things with it. I'm going to do some different things. I'm going to try to braid 3 of the colors, and this is actually a double batch. I usually do maybe this amount for the whole week. So this is a double batch because I wanted more colors to use, and I can always freeze it. So I'm going to do probably some, maybe a couple of braids, maybe, and then do a layered loaf. We'll see how much I can make from all this. And I have a pot on the stove for the simmering water. It's going to take an hour to cook it. It's 30 minutes on simmer and then covered, and then another 30 minutes you have to flip it over. So if you have any questions about making seitan, then you can, I have other videos and things, pictures, you know, you can take a look at that. But this took about 2 hours to put together, and I was kind of organized. I had everything prepped ahead of time. So, but it would be a great idea for maybe a holiday. The holidays are coming up. You know, maybe, you know, you do Thanksgiving differently than everybody, and this might be a fun thing to try. Something special, or birthdays. Not everybody likes cake, you know, and so some people like more savory things. So you can use this kind of recipe for anything. So I'm going to go ahead and start seeing how I can cut up into this. Okay, everybody, I wanted to show you how the first batch came out. This is the batch that had the multicolored braided seitan and the spiral. And as you can see, it just looks pretty good. It held together because I wrapped it in saran wrap. But you can have a good look at all the colors. So this would be good for a party, something special for the holidays, because it does take a lot of work. A lot more work than a regular batch to put these together. Now I'm not going to taste this right now. I'm going to wait for the next batch to be done. That batch is going to be the one where it's going to be sliced and be more like rainbow colors all throughout. Okay, everybody, I pulled out the last batch of rainbow seitan and I cut into it so you could see all the layers, all the pretty colorful layers. I thought it turned out pretty good. I'm going to take a taste of it now. Maybe half a slice here. I have some tasting toast ready to go. It has a lot of colors, but it tastes kind of like a combo of the beef and chicken that I use. The vegan broth. Take one more bite. That's so good. This would be great for a party. Anyway, it's been a long day putting this all together. I think between the cooking time and the prep time, it's taken 4 hours, maybe over 4 hours. Anyway, have a great rest of your weekend.